What's going on, Kick-Ass Nation? It's Christopher Rausch, your No Excuses coach, back here with a very important message. Oftentimes, we feel like giving up. We want to give up. We're tired. We're frustrated. We're not seeing the results that we want to see. I'm just leaving the gym right now. I'm seeing the results because I'm putting in the effort. But also oftentimes in our life, we're like expecting certain things to happen and certain outcomes to happen, and they don't happen. And we get just frustrated because our expectations are too high. But let me tell you something. As you continue to go through that journey, as you continue to push yourself and surround yourself with the right people, it's pretty incredible what it is that you can accomplish in your life, but you just can't give up. And God's honest truth, there's days where I want to give up, where I'm frustrated and I'm not seeing the results that I want to see in my business and my life, but I continue to go on because I know that's my mission. I know that's my purpose, and I know that the victory is sweeter when you continue to push through those situations where you want to give up. So I'm here to tell you, as the unstoppable No Excuses coach, you can do it. You can do it. Get around the right people, invest in yourself. If I'm the guy, go to noexcusescoach.com. I love you guys. Stay unstoppable. Never give up.